house is more than just a listing. It's a collection of moments waiting to happen. But in a crowded market, how do you make a buyer feel that connection before they even step through the door? It starts with the right rhythm, not rushed, not chaotic, just a calm, elegant journey through the space. I specialize in transforming property walkthroughs into heartwarming, cinematic experiences that capture the true essence of a home. High-end color grading, seamless pacing, and a touch of soul. Let's give your listings the cinematic edge they deserve. I'm ready to edit your next project.